Good morning, my name is Rick Jacob. I'm a supervisor for J&L Services. We're going to be doing a training video from a cafe bakery today.
Hi, I'm Natasha King, the General Manager here at Singleton Ridge McDonald's, and I'll be assisting with the training video on the McBakery. Hi, I'm Natasha, and here we have the 14-inch bakery display case. For display purposes, you'll have the strawberry cream pie, apple pie, and the cinnamon roll. Now, out of the cases, you can serve the blueberry muffins and the apple fritters, these are all good for 12 hours. You can also serve the cookies out of the display case, and they're good for 4 hours. Okay, so now let's take it to our next store location that has a 22-inch display
Thank you,
case.
Natasha, for sending it my way. My name is Tony Brungard. I'm the General Manager of the 82nd Avenue location, and today we're going to take you through serving procedures of the 22-inch serving display case. All right, here we have the 22-inch display cabinet, and on top we have the strawberry cream pies and the apple pies along with the cinnamon rolls. Now those are going to be for display only. And then on the middle shelf we have the apple fritters and we have the blueberry muffins. They're going to be good for 12 hours in the display case, and they can get served right out of the display case, as well as the cookies on the bottom. The cookies are still good for 4 hours, and they will also get served right out of the display case. All right, Tony here. We're going to go over serving procedures of the bakery items, as well as I'm going to show you the setup of the station guides. So over here, when you're bagging a bakery item, you want to grab the bag, and as you can see, it goes through the steps on the station guide. You would grab one of the bakery tissues, go in here, and for the muffins and the fritters, you would grab one item max per bag. So for a fritter, you would put it in, and as the station guide shows, you leave it loosely in the item. Now if we want to serve a muffin, we would do it the same way. You grab one bakery tissue, use that to grab the muffin, and you would put it in the bag as such, loosely leaving the paper inside. And now for cookies, you would do it the same way. Use your bakery paper, and now with cookies, you can put 3 max in a bag. And for the fritters and the muffins, you can put 1 max per bag. So, that's the serving procedures on the bakery items. Let's go have some breakfast. Alright, this is Tony signing off with 82nd Avenue McDonald's. Next, I'm going to send you to one of my neighbors. She's going to show you service procedures for the bakery items.
Thank you, Tony from 82nd. This is Jessica from 38th Avenue. I'm going to go over the service measurements with the bakery items today with you. Hello, it's Jessica again. I'm going to go over the service measurements with you on the bakery. So when a customer asks what bakery items you have, you should have this card up front. That way our crew can explain every item to them. Just like the apple fritter is a classic fritter made with cinnamon and apples fried to a golden brown and glazed with a sweet glazy icing. Cinnamon roll is loaded with cinnamon layered between buttery, flasky pastry dough that is drizzled with delicious cream cheese icing and served warm. And then the blueberry muffin is soft and fluffy muffin baked with the real blueberries and topped with crumbled toppings. And then you have your pies and cookies on here. So this is good to have up front so your crew can read off this when they're asked about it. I'm going to show you how to bag the blueberry muffins and where they're located on the registers. Hello, so now I'm going to show you how to ring up the McCafe Bakery. You can go under dessert too. You have your muffins, your cinnamon rolls, and your fritters. So if you ring up the muffin, it pops up on your screen. The muffins and the fritters do not come warm. Do not ask if they need to become warm, because the only thing that is served warm is our cinnamon rolls. So to bag the blueberry muffin, you can get it from your display case. They're good for 12 hours in the display case. You get the McCafe bag and the tissue, 1 item per bag, and leave it loosely in the bag with the tissue, and then you can serve it like this. More than one of these needs to go into a B bag. Now I'm going to show you how to bag our box and bag your cinnamon rolls. Now I'm going to show you how to bag the cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls are going to show up on the KBS monitors because they are heated. Once they are in the landing zone, they go into a B bag with the 1 napkin and a fork and knife, and you fill the bag to be served. Hey, it's Jessica here. I'm signing off. Thank you for coming to learn the service measurements of the bakery items. I will pass you on to my next neighboring store on heating the bakery items for you.
Thank you, Jessica. I'm Victoria. I'm the store manager at South Strand Commons, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cue the cinnamon rolls, blueberry muffins, and the apple fritters. Here we go, the cinnamon roll. It pops up on the KBS monitor. We have the station guides for heating the cinnamon rolls. We have the container with the cinnamon rolls on it with a 48-hour date dot sticker. Then we also have our boxes that we keep the cinnamon rolls in when they're served. The cinnamon roll. Place it in the box. Then it goes in the queuing oven. We have our station guide over here for how long they're supposed to be cooked for. We press 771. And then it gets sent up the HS. The customer has requested to have an apple fritter heated up, so we get it from the front service area. And then we bring it back to the queuing oven. And our station guide tells us the code is 12, so we press 121. And then send it back to the service area. Thank you for watching me teach you how to queue the products. Now I'm going to hand it off to a neighboring store so they can teach you thaw pull.
Victoria. Hi everyone, my name is Joe Burnaby. I'm the store manager of the Homestown Road McDonald's. I'm going to be taking us through the thaw pull procedures for the McCafe bakery products. Let's go back to the freezer and pull some products. Everyone, before we get to the freezer, this is our thaw pull chart, and we're going to use this every day to determine how much product we pull. It is recommended that we highlight the 3 items on the McBakery. This way here we know what we're pulling on a daily basis. And that we need 3 boxes to be pulled from the freezer. So I will be pulling 3 thaw tickets, which are 5 hours each, and I will be pulling 6 of the room temperature, which are 48 hours each. Whatever you pull for thaw, you will double for your room temperature tickets. Those are the thaw tickets. I'm going to pull the room temperature. I'm going to do 6 of those. Now that I have my tickets, we're going to head to the freezer. I brought my tray. You are usually going to bring 1 tray for each of the items, but we're only pulling 3 boxes, so I just brought 1 tray. Couple things to remember. Everything comes in frozen. It's going to come from Martin Brower. When it comes off the truck, you have to check the condition of the box. Make sure you're checking your code dates and make sure that the rotation is correct. So right now, I've got my stickers in my tray. So I'm going to pull 1 box of each, and then we're going to go out there and we're going to dot it properly, and then we're going to bring it up to the thaw rack. And the other part of the bakery is the chocolate chip cookies, which we have right here. I forgot to mention in the freezer, as you pull your product out of the box, please make sure to seal the box back up so the product does not get freezer burn. So now we have our product here and we have our trays. Now we're going to put the stickers on. The thaw 5-hour sticker goes on the left side of the box. 48-hour sticker, you're going to put 2 on each box. The room temperature is 48 hours. We're going to use 2 stickers for each box. The way you apply the stickers is you're going to peel 1 off the bottom, and you're just going to stick it right on about halfway. This way here, when it goes on the box, when you open the cellophane and take it off, that top sticker goes inside. You're going to do that for each of the boxes. Now we're going to take our trays over to the thaw thaw rack. I would keep it so that the stickers are forward so they can see them. You will put it in the frozen zone until it thaws, then it moves up to the thaw zone. We're ready to bring some blueberry muffins up front. So we're going to take this thawed tray. Now you can put up to 2 packs into one of these cases right here. I'm going to show you how to put it in, and I'm going to show you how to open the case. You want to lift up on the little tabs here, stuff with gloves, and once you get it lifted, it's going to slide. And then it slides back. Okay? So, because they're going to be using these, I'm going to open the cellophane. And this is where the 2 day dots come in. I'm going to take the second day dot, I'm going to place it on the inside of the container, the box, so that it always has its time. You slide this back on, it slides from the back, and then you get up front, you lift a little bit, and it should click right in there, just like that. In our thaw pull process, I'm now going to kick it over to our sister store so you can learn the sampling process.
Thanks, Joe. This is South Kings McDonald's, the sister store to Homestown Road. I'm Ashley Monahan, the store manager here. I'm the queen of the beach. Today we're going to be covering sampling of the bakery product. Hi, today we're going to be talking about sampling our new bakery items. It's important to sample them throughout all of your peaks so all of your customers get a chance to try them. Let them know what your favorite is, because my favorite is the blueberry muffin. For training purposes, please post the station guide in the appropriate area in your restaurant for sampling. You need to have a cutting board and a cutter, 4-piece nugget boxes, a cinnamon roll box, and bakery bags, as well as tissues. You also want to have a clean tray, and forks and knives. The proper way to cut is in 4s. We're going to go from side to side and across. Then using a tissue, I'm going to pick up 1/4, open the bakery bag, leave the tissue, and fold the top away from the bakery symbols on the bag. After finishing assembling all the blueberry muffins, the 4 bags, you're going to place them on your tray and move on to the apple fritter. You're going to cut it the same exact way into 4 pieces. Use a liner to pick up 1 piece, place it in the McCafe bakery bag, and fold the top away from the symbols. Lastly, we're going to assemble the cinnamon rolls. We're going to cut again in 4 pieces. I have a clean towel to wipe off my cutter. You're going to use a white spatula and pick up all 4 pieces and place them into the cinnamon roll box. You will then move over to your queuing oven. Close your lid. Place the cinnamon roll in the queuing oven. And select 771 for the proper queuing time. It's important to do the cinnamon roll last when preparing, but also first when you're serving the guests as samples. Now, we're going to remove the cooked cinnamon roll and place it into 4 separate boxes. Again, using your white spatula. place it in an A bag with a napkin and a fork and knife. And you're gonna fold the bag over at the top away from the M and place it on your sampling tray. Happy sampling! Back at you, Ren!
Welcome back, man. I hope you had an awesome time watching our video on how to do McCafe Bakery. I want to really thank my team. They did an awesome job in presenting this material. I hope that everybody does great sales with this awesome product. Let's go sell gold standard blueberry muffins, apple fritters, and cinnamon rolls. I know that this team can do it. Set your goals, sample, and get your crew excited about it. Let's go, McDonald's. Let's serve this awesome product and make it a great thing for our company and our customers. Thank you.